to launch India's defense manufacturing sector. A nation with a strong defense industry will not only be more secure, it will also reap rich economic benefits. It can boost investment, expand manufacturing, support enterprise, raise the technology level, and increase economic growth in the country. In India, the defense industry in the government sector alone employs nearly 200,000 workers and thousands of engineers and scientists. They produce an output of nearly $7 billion annually. It also supports a very large pool of small and medium enterprise. Our defense industry in private sector is still small, but it already employs thousands of people. This is despite the fact that our 60% of our defense equipment continues to be imported. And we are spending tens of billions of dollars on acquisition from abroad. There are studies that show that even a 20 to 25% reduction in imports could directly create an additional 100,000 to 120,000 highly skilled jobs in India. If we could raise the percentage of domestic procurement from 40% to 70% in the next 5 years, we would double the output in our defense industry. Imagine the impact in terms of jobs created directly in the related manufacturing and services sector. Think of the spin of benefits on other sectors in terms of advanced materials and technologies. That is why we are focusing on developing India's defense industry with a sense of mission. This is why it is at the heart of our Make in India program. We are reforming our defense procurement policies and procedures. There will be a clear preference for equipment manufactured in India. Our procurement procedures will ensure simplicity, accountability, and speedy decision making. We have raised the permitted level of foreign direct investment to 49%. This can go higher in the project brings state-of-the-art technology. We have permitted investments up to 24% by foreign institutional investments. And there is no longer a need to have a single Indian investor with at least a 50% stake. Industrial licensing requirements have been eliminated for a number of items. Where it is needed, the process has been simplified. We are expanding the role of private sector even for major platforms. Our goal is to provide a level playing field for all. We speak in terms of national capacity, not public sector or private sector. Offset system is a crucial instrument to develop and upgrade our defense industry. We have introduced significant reforms in our offset policy. I'm actually aware that it will need a lot of improvements. We will pursue them in consultation with domestic industry and our foreign partners. I want our offset policy not as a means to export low-end products, but to acquire state-of-the-art technology and skills in core areas of priority.